We will see about bolts, shear stud and anchors, how you can place bolts, how you can adjust the bolts, okay, how you can place the shears like this, and how you can place the anchor on the base of the column. Okay, let's start. First go to the any elevation. Suppose I am going in the south elevation, make some level over here. For level you just click LL, or you can select thick lines, give some offset. Suppose I am giving 3000 and okay. Now go to level 1. So first we place some column, go in structure, select the column. Here universal column is already by default selected, so let's take it. Make it fine so you can clearly identify it. Suppose you place some beam over here. Suppose I want to place other beam. For that we have to load family. Go in library, English, India, and steel framing. Go in steel, Indian specification. We have to PFC, select PFC here. Okay, this will be okay. Take 300. Okay, now place it. Go in 3D. Here you will see make it shaded. Okay, go in south elevation and make this one on the, select the column, base level 1 and top level 3. Offset, make the offset 0. Okay, and this, place this beam to second level. Edit work plane, level second. Okay, okay, now you can see here you can see here this column is little bit in the beam is little bit in the column. So for that we have to select this beam, and we want this point to the in the corner. For that we have to Y justification, make it left. Now you will see the point is in the left, and now it's okay. Go in level 2, you can see here, make it fine. Okay, copy this one, mirror it from the middle. Now it's okay. Go in 3D, you will see suppose I want to place bolt here, so it can connect both the beam through the columns. Okay, for that we have to just go in steel, you will see here bolt, click on bolt, select the column first, then press Ctrl and select beam, then just press enter. You will see this icon has been changed. Now you just select the face where you want to place the bolt. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. Now it will show. Select this one, after that you select this one and go to right front view and just provide where you want to place the and OK. Make it fine, so you can see bolt has been placed over here. You can see suppose you want this bolt to, you can see this bolt is just placed here. You want this bolt to connect to this side, you can connect also. Let's see how we can do. Suppose you want 3 bolts over here, so for that you have to just select the bolt and make this one 3. You will see you can see 3 bolt has been placed here. If you want to place this side also 3, so you have to just select the bolt and number on side 1 you have to increase 3. You will see it will show you here. Now it's okay. Now you can see here the bolt has both the beam has been connected by this bolt. You can see if you want this bolt to, suppose you want this one to convert, you can do also. You have to just select the beam and here you will see inverted. You just check box this, it will be inverted, you can see here. Okay, suppose you don't want to connect both the beam, so for that we have to just here grip length increase, you have to minus 300. Let's see how it's okay. Now it's okay. If you make it, it will don't connect both the beam. If you want to connect both the beam, you just select this bolt and make it here 0. You can see it connects the bolt. Okay, in this way you can adjust the bolt. increase or decrease as per your requirement. Okay, suppose let's see how to place this shear truss. Okay, for that we just take shear truss, click on the shear studs, wait, first you have to select this beam, then you just go in steel and select the shear stud. Now you just select the face where you want to place the stud. Suppose okay, now select this rectangle and place rectangle on this side. Okay, now okay, you will see it's placed on this side because we have selected this face. Okay, suppose we want to place on this top, for that we have to select the top face. Let's see, delete this one, select the beam, go on steel and select the shear studs. Now we just select this face, select the rectangle and create a rectangle over here. Now okay, now you will see shear studs has been placed over here. Suppose you want single here, so you have to make it go in a number of side to make it single. Okay, now you want 10 in this line. Suppose 10 number of stud in this line, go and number of side 1 and make it 10. You will see has been placed, stud has been placed. Suppose you want 15, make it 15. Okay, in this way you can place the shear studs. Okay, suppose you want to increase this diameter of the bolt, go here, make it 7 by 8 inch. Okay, in this way you can use the shear studs. Let's see another is anchor, how we can place the anchors. Okay, for that we have to just place here footing, go in structure, select the footing, go in level 1, place footing here. Okay, let's go in 3D. Suppose you want to place here anchor, let's see how you can place. So go in steel, select this plate, select the rectangle and go on the top, okay, go on the top and make here rectangle and place okay. Now we will see plate has been placed over here. Okay, now go in steel, select the bolt and select anchor, and now select this plate, press enter. You will see the cursor has been changed. Okay, now select the face where you want to place this bolt anchor, select this one, again select rectangle and go on the top and make where you want to place the bolt. Okay, now you will see bolt has been placed. So in this way you can place the bolt anchor. In this way you can place the anchor. Suppose you want to increase the anchor size, or you can adjust this anchor from here. You can make it, suppose you want 3 anchor over here, go and place 3. You will see 3 anchor has been placed. Okay, in this way you can place the anchor also. Okay, suppose you want to, let's see in 3D how it's look, realistic view. So this is all about the bolt, anchor and shear studs. In this way you can place the bolt, connect the beams and place anchor. Okay, thank you for watching the video. In the next video we will see some other topics.